Hello guys, Asad again. And today we are in Pakistan in my small dairy farmhouse. Let me show you. So we have buffaloes here. We have pigeons. Before we had a lot of seals, but we finished it. And now there is some. We have feed here for animals. We have different cow breeds. Cross breeds basically, and original as well. So after that, plan is very simple. We are going in my village and we are planning to do some kind of fishing, and we will do fishing and do cooking over there. So see you later. Air is too much air. देखा रे वंशु देखा
Saya.
आने वाला थी ये टाइम है ना आनी हो तेजे करे तो जुलाई में पाबंदी होती है तो मच्छी आना करे वञे इनको मच्छी सबसे आना करे वञे इनके शिकायत पाबंदी होती है हाँ इतने सही ईंदा जो चढ़ंदो न मच्छी चढ़ंदी हितां